MerCruiser 5.7 cranks but won't start up. Download a factory MerCruiser 5.7 liter repair manual in seconds at 911manual.com and fix your problems now. The manual contains a complete troubleshooting section that describes the factory service procedures for no-start problems. The download repair manual covers every aspect of troubleshooting, maintenance and repair, from a simple oil change to complete engine overhaul. Download the manual at 911manual.com in seconds. The manual will help you trace and correct problems within the starting system so that you can get your engine up and running in no time. Go to 911manual.com to download a MerCruiser repair manual instantly. When you get to 911manual.com, click on the icon, then select the year and model MerCruiser repair manual. Then download the manual. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.